Why overthinkers can never be happy? Happiness requires presence, the ability to let the default mode network quiet down so the brain can enjoy the moment. But for overthinkers, the default mode network stays hyperactive, replaying the past and predicting the future. Dopamine, which usually reinforces pleasure and motivation, is hijacked by worry. The brain rewards rumination with a false sense of preparation, even while draining the emotional energy needed for joy. The result is a paradox. The more they think, the less peace they find. Each scenario imagined feels like a problem to solve, but the brain was never meant to solve uncertainty. It was meant to live with it. For overthinkers, that tolerance is low, and so their own intelligence becomes a trap. The mind that can analyze everything also dismantles its own chance at happiness, chasing answers in a maze with no exit.